the sloop John B. My grandfather and me, around Nassau town we did roll, drinking all night, got into a fight, well I feel so break up, I wanna go home, hoist up the John B sails, see how the mainsail set, call for the captain ashore, let me go home, let me go home, I want to go, I wanna go home, why don't you let me go home, well I feel so brave.